A guide to advertising on Twitch. Streaming is bigger than ever. More and more people are accessing content via live streams, with the hosts of these long-form live videos often amassing millions of fans and followers. In recent years, the streaming platform Twitch has seen a massive rise in popularity. Originally focused on streaming video game content, Twitch now plays host to a broad range of different creators streaming a variety of different things, from cooking shows to music streaming. Twitch offers a new, untapped demographic for marketers different from that seen on traditional social platforms like Facebook or Instagram. The platform rolled out a paid advertising feature this year, in a move that drew some criticism. Let's look at how affiliates and marketers can effectively make use of paid ads on Twitch. Twitch, the stats. If you're planning to buy ad space on any digital platform, it's vital that you make yourself aware of the potential audiences and markets you could be reaching. Founded in 2011, Twitch is a predecessor of the now-defunct streaming website Justin.tv. Originally geared toward the video gaming industry, Twitch has attracted an increasing number of users and viewers every year, with the platform boasting 33.2 million users and around 7.13 million active streamers in 2022. In Q3 of this year, the platform had an average of 2.64 million concurrent viewers. Previously predominantly used by males, the male/female divide on Twitch now stands at 78.36% to 19.64%. The increase in female viewer numbers can be attributed to the platform branching out from purely video game content. In terms of age groups, 35.84% of Twitch users fall into the 18 to 24-year-old bracket, 32.14% 25 to 34, 15.33% are 35 to 44, 8.62% 45 to 54, and 4.97% are between 55 and 64 years old. These figures are impossible to ignore for marketers. Once thought of as a niche website reserved for video game fanatics, Twitch now represents the largest streaming platform on the internet and has cemented its place among the modern social media heavyweights. How do Twitch ads work? If you are promoting a product or service that you feel would do well on Twitch, you should strongly consider making use of the platform's paid advertising program. Twitch ads can be grouped into two primary categories. Pre-roll ads are advertisements that are displayed to users when they tune into a stream. They will see the advertisement before the stream begins, while mid-roll ads are displayed during the stream itself. Both pre-roll and mid-roll ads are unskippable and can be anywhere between 30 seconds and 3 minutes long. Ads can be designated as desktop video, meaning they will only play on desktop devices, mobile video where they will only play on mobiles, or cross-screen video where they will play across all devices. Types of ads. Twitch offers a number of different ad formats, each with its own particular advantages and disadvantages. One of the most popular types is the first impression takeover. Using a first impression takeover ad means that your advertisement will be the very first one a viewer sees when they watch their first stream of the day. First impression takeover ads are sold on a per day, per location basis and are subject to daily price rates. Other than in video ad formats, Twitch also has a number of different advertising options. Space can be purchased on the Twitch homepage to display ads, with users able to choose between carousel, banner, or rectangle formats. Beyond advertising. While paid ads are often the first step brands take into implementing a campaign on Twitch, the unique nature of the platform means there are further marketing opportunities available. Viewers are highly engaged with creators on Twitch, with streamers often achieving a near celebrity-like status. This means that partnered content campaigns can be highly effective. Product placement or sponsored streams are popular routes marketers can take when exploring collaboration with streamers. The Twitch Brand Partnership Studio is a department dedicated to fostering and maintaining connections between brands and streamers, with a team of experts, strategists, and producers on hand to help develop and implement a successful marketing strategy. Conclusion: if you're looking to implement a marketing strategy that is slightly different and can appeal to a unique, specific demographic, Twitch could be the ideal choice for you. The platform offers numerous ways for affiliates and brands to connect and collaborate with creators, and can be an effective way of diversifying your digital marketing campaign.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment, like and share. Check out on our next video. You will surely love it.